The color is gorgeous, the curl pattern is gorgeous, but I think the star of this wig is the fact that it is completely glueless. Look.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try.
Y'all, I'm back with some human hair from one of my most favorite human hair wig companies, and that's Nadula Hair. Y'all know I've been on the hunt for easy, affordable, but bomb human hair, and Nadula Hair definitely has fit the bowl this summer, okay? So I love Nadula Hair because they're gonna give me ease to fight this attitude that this heat is bringing. If you look in the description box, you see direct link to this wig, the wig details, and you'll see the subscribe button. Make sure you hit it, okay? Y'all see color. This is a, reading it off the bag. This is a 13x4 Jerry curl wig in the color TN27, which this color is absolutely gorgeous, and I hate that I actually don't get it as much because it is a very, very gorgeous wig color. Look at that, y'all. Oof. And I will say that this 27 is more ashy than it is warm in person. Okay, on there it probably looks very warm to y'all, but I promise in person it's ashier. Okay, the cap construction, you get a comb in the back and adjustable straps. You get the band that's sewn in, and then in the front you get that 13x4. I'll come to the right, I'll come to the left. The cap is super stretchy, which is also dope. They said that this hairline has been pre-plucked, which I get them that. Okay, not overly plucked, but it has been pre-plucked for you up there. Okay, this is super pretty. The curls are really, really pretty on this unit, right? How many inches did I say? 22 inches, if I didn't mention that earlier. 22 inches, and that's very pretty. This is gonna be super quick. All I'm gonna do is cut off this lace, spray some water on it, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. But I know this is gonna be a winner before we even do any of that. Be right back.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away.
So I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and this wig is bomb.com. I think the star of this wig is the fact that it is completely glueless. Look. Oh. Right, and with this heat, like I said, we don't need nothing that's gonna piss us off, right? And this wig being glueless and easy like this is right up my alley. The other thing, speaking of heat, at first I pulled this out, I was like, I'm gonna get so upset because this wig is about to be hot. Y'all, it really doesn't feel like a lot of hair on my head. And I think the density looks really, really nice, but it doesn't feel as heavy as it may look. This wig is absolutely gorgeous and easy. I've reviewed 1,000 wigs like this before, but I've never reviewed one with these little pops of highlight like this. And this is cute from Nadula Hair. Definitely can recommend this one. So if you look in that description box, I'll put a direct link to this one. As always, Nadula has hit it out of the park. Until next time, y'all, until nighttime, because I'm sleepy. But until next time, which will be very, very soon. Bye, y'all.
Nadula.